If you could put this soccer ball in that trash can, I will give you $50,000 in cash. Tariq! He missed it. If you can hit a home run, I'll give you this $60,000 in cash.
Are you serious?
And just to show it's possible, I'm going to demonstrate before he tries. Like that right there, and he'll get 60 grand. Noah, here is the baseball bat. Your arms are ginormous. I don't see how you don't hit this tomorrow. The next person competes for 70 grand. This feels getting crazy. As many iPhones as you can fit in this rectangle, you can keep. And each one of these iPhones cost around $1,000. 14 so far. If this falls over, you get nothing. Right, I mentioned that. Did I not mention that?
You didn't, but it's all good.
Okay.
It's all good. I think I might be done here.
31 iPhones. Are you sure? You sure you want to stop?
We're gonna go for one more. Gotta get an even number on there, 32, right? It's not shaking.
It's not shaking. Here, you know what? Just congratulations. 3, 2, 1, go! You got $10,000. But before you celebrate, you want to risk your $10,000 and do double or nothing and throw another person over there. But if you lose it all.
Double or nothing.
Double or nothing? All right, well then pick. Who do you want the second person to be?
More for Chandler, because I don't the socks.
3, 2, 1, go! You gotta get Chad! Now you have $20,000 in cash. Basically, if one of you can hit a half-court shot, you all get 40 grand. Each get to shoot one shot.
I'm taking it first.
Oh! Come on, Tyler! And it's off. Oh, it's looking good. Oh! It's off. Oh! Oh! I do not envy the pressure you're feeling now. I'm not even gonna say anything. Let's let him do his thing. And it's in the air. No. Oh! Oh, he hit it! Oh! What? Oh my God! That animal! That was the most hyped thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, that was clutch.
This is a never-ending giant mountain of cash.
And as much cash as you can carry, you can keep.
When do I go?
Now! It starts now!
Oh my God, what can I do with all this money?
I need you to stand up. It's as much cash you can carry. Do you want to keep adding more money? Like we can add a $5 bill there.
Let's stop.
This is like $2 grand. You sure you don't want me to put it down?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
go right
with that.
ahead.
All right, I think you should stop. Stop it. Stop it. Oh! Yo, you stopped it just in time.
Nice. Yeah.
According to the scale, you have $6,751. You let this tarantula crawl on you for 30 seconds, I'll give your mom $10,000. Tariq, if it bites you, we'll double the money. Does that make you feel better?
I can say that because it's not going to bite me.
All right, time started.
Stay calm.
It can cinch fear. Tariq, you're a whole 5 seconds in. Oh, just 5 more seconds. Oh, just 5 more seconds. You're almost at 30 seconds. You're almost there, Tariq. You're literally almost there. He is so close. All right. Yeah! As much money as you can stack on this tray without putting it down, you can keep. But you do this and it falls, you lose it all.
Wow.
You've been a waitress for 5 years. So what's the biggest tip you've ever gotten?
Like 200.
So this right here will put you at $8,000.
Okay.
What's the number where you stop?
Honestly, I don't even have a number. I'm gonna just keep going and see.
You're scaring me. Oh my
I'm
gosh,
scaring
it's so
myself.
high. You can call this at any point. Just let us know when you want to call it.
Put on one more.
Okay, one more? Okay.
Okay.
By one more, did you mean 3 more?
Oh my God.
Please call it. Are you done? Okay. She's done. All right, you guys have 60 seconds. Whatever you put in this cart, I will pay for it. It's been 6 seconds. Oh, that's a big TV for a car.
What's one more TV?
Oh, and it has been officially a minute on the dot. No extra time. Let's see the dance. Oh, you grabbed so many gifts for $13,000 in gifts. They managed to spend $18,000 in under a minute, which is below $1 million. So congratulations, you guys get to keep all this.
I'm inspired by thirst. I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work.